Picture yourself in the great outdoors, where every moment is an adventure and survival is key. Fear not, explorers, because we've compiled a list of the most amazing survival tools you'll absolutely love. From tools that build shelter to gadgets that ensure your safety, these life-saving essentials will keep you prepared for whatever the wilderness throws your way. Get ready to discover the ultimate gear for your next epic journey. Let's dive in. Stay protected in the wild with the ONETIGRIS TENTSFORMER Raincoat, a versatile bushcraft poncho tent. Made from 75D nylon with a PU coating for 1,500 mm waterproof rating, it's built to withstand harsh rain while allowing breathability. Ideal for camping, hiking, and outdoor survival. It offers a minimalist shelter with adjustable components like a hoodie with bungee cords and WICK zippers. The large size fits individuals taller than 5.57 feet, providing full coverage and freedom of movement. At just 22.5 ounces, it's easy to carry, and the included DIY setup kit ensures quick shelter assembly, making it an essential tool for adventurers. The WICK Laser's FLASHTORCH is a high-powered flashlight that delivers an astonishing 4,100 lumens of white light. With a 250-watt halogen lamp, heat-resistant lens, and high-efficiency reflector, it concentrates intense heat to melt or burn items and even start fires. Running on 4 18,650 lithium-ion batteries, it's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts needing reliable light and heat. Its powerful beam makes it more than just a flashlight. Use it as a heat source or fire starter in emergencies. Built for durability, the FLASHTORCH is compact and portable, making it a must-have tool for survivalists and anyone looking for extreme performance. Survival laces are a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Made from 550 paracord, these laces contain 7 strands of nylon and 1 fishline strand, offering endless survival possibilities. They feature a hidden 4-inch tinder strand and a 1-inch ferrocerium rod for emergency fire starting. The waterproof tinder is easily accessible by removing the metal aglet, and scraping the ferro rod creates hot sparks to ignite it. Ideal for hikers and preppers, these laces serve as both footwear and an emergency survival tool, providing strength for shelter building, repairs, and more. Manufactured in the USA, they are available in multiple lengths and colors. This waterproof, heavy-duty duct tape is designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Compact and portable, it easily fits in your gear, ensuring it won't take up valuable space. With its easy tear technology, you can make quick repairs without the need for scissors. Its superior durability ensures it stands up to harsh conditions like wind, rain, and sun, providing reliable adhesion on a variety of surfaces. The BUGEYE compass is a 360-degree floating compass designed to be compact and easy to use. Available in durable titanium or brass, this keychain-sized compass offers waterproof, sand-resistant features and a high-sensitivity liquid-filled design. Its unique spherical shape and suspended globe ensure accurate readings in any condition. With a built-in direction of travel card, it's perfect for hands-free navigation. The BUGEYE compass is a must-have for hikers and adventurers, offering dependable performance even in GPS-free zones. Small yet strong, it's ideal for keeping in your pocket or on your keychain for quick, reliable direction finding. CAMILLUS Carnivore X 18-inch Machete. The CAMILLUS Carnivore X Machete features an 18-inch blade made from durable 420 stainless steel, treated with titanium bonding for exceptional edge retention and strength. Its multi-purpose design allows for cutting, digging, sawing, chiseling, and gutting with ease. The machete includes a removable trimming knife and comes with a ballistic nylon sheath for safe and convenient storage. Whether you're camping, hiking, hunting, or exploring, this machete is a versatile and reliable tool. Its rugged construction makes it perfect for a range of outdoor tasks, ensuring you're well prepared for any challenge you face in the wild. This THOR-inspired titanium pendant is crafted from high-quality grade 5 titanium using CNC machines for precision. Designed to last a lifetime, it offers corrosion resistance and eco-friendliness. Hidden inside the pendant is a fire starter, which can only be accessed when needed, ensuring the pendant's sleek design remains unaffected. The fire sparks serve as a reminder of the lightning effects of thunder, adding a dynamic feature to this accessory. Lightweight and durable, this pendant is a stylish and functional survival tool, perfect for adventurers who want a compact, reliable fire starter without compromising on design. The Endure Survival Pin is a compact and versatile tool made from durable titanium. It combines essential survival gear, such as a fire starter, flare launcher, paracord, and ballpoint pin into one sleek, everyday carry tool. Weighing only 2.4 ounces and measuring 5.5 inches long, it's designed for use in survival situations. The pin features a ferrocerium rod for fire starting, a flare launcher for signaling, and a multi-use spike for various tasks. With its integrated 550 fire cord, it ensures you're prepared for anything, making it an essential addition to your hiking or emergency gear. The ZIPPO 4-in-1 WOODSMAN is a multi-tool designed for outdoor adventures. Featuring a full-tang stainless steel axe blade with a polymer handle, this tool also includes 2 rugged wood saw blades for efficient cutting. The tool incorporates a heavy tent stake mallet and a steel tent stake puller for added versatility. Its patented tension compensator ensures perfect saw blade tension, while the dual-function cover serves as both a saw handle and a safety sheath. Compact and durable, this tool is ideal for camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity where space and utility are essential. This fire starter wick is a versatile survival tool designed for easy ignition and long-lasting use. The waterproof, wind-resistant rope can be lit with a spark from a ferro rod, offering over 3 hours of burn time. The 39-inch wick can serve as a reliable fire starter, even in harsh weather conditions. Its flexible design allows you to control the flame by extending or retracting the rope, making it easy to extinguish when needed. This rope also doubles as a portable light source, providing illumination in the dark while you find your way or manage your camp. A perfect addition to any survival kit. The BIOLITE CAMPSTOVE 2 Plus is a wood-burning stove that generates electricity while you cook, providing power for devices via its USB charging port. It uses renewable biomass fuel like twigs and sticks to cook and boil water, creating smokeless flames. The stove includes a portable grill, kettle pot, and coffee press, making it ideal for outdoor cooking. Its thermoelectric generator produces 3 watts of power, charging devices in real time or storing power in its 3,200 mAh battery. The stove can boil 1 liter of water in 4.5 minutes and has adjustable flame control for versatile cooking. The ZUNE LOTOO Survival Shovel Multi-Tool is a robust, multifunctional tool designed for outdoor use. Made from martensitic steel, it is built to endure harsh conditions and can withstand up to 2,116 pounds of force. With a compact folding design, the shovel features 7 adjustable angles for quick operation. It also includes an axe, bottle opener, survival whistle, fire starter, and wire saw, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and off-roading. The handle is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and is equipped with a non-slip silicone pad for added grip. This tool is a must-have for any survivalist or adventurer. Whether for camping, hiking, or emergency repairs, this versatile tape is your go-to tool, offering strong adhesion for leather, air mattresses, and more. Wrapping up our list is the SOL Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool, merging multiple crucial survival tools into one compact and efficient design. It includes a retractable flint, a fixed blade knife with a serrated edge, and a bottle opener. A built-in whistle can signal help from over a mile away, and a LED light can be used to illuminate your surroundings or serve as a headlamp when clipped to your hat. The tool also features a waterproof compartment to keep your tinder dry and a multi-tool knife with a wrench and flathead screwdriver, making it an essential companion for any outdoor adventure. Goodbye, survivalists. Which of these tools would you take on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below and share your must-have survival gear. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting survival tips and tools. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest gear to help you conquer the wild. Stay tuned for more survival essentials coming your way.